All right, here's a question that you need to find probability of getting four aces with any other card. So with all probabilities, it's expressed as a fraction. And so what do I want goes on the top, and the total number of ways of doing things are on the bottom. So they're pulling 5 cards from 52. So the bottom is just going to be 52 choose 5. That's random cards, doesn't matter what they are. But on the top, so that's the total number of ways you could do things. But what I want are 4 aces and then any other card. So to get both of those together, you would multiply. That's the fundamental counting principle. Now to get the aces, there's 4 aces altogether, and I need to choose all 4 of them. So that'll be the number of ways I can get aces. And then any other card, if there's 52 altogether, and I take away 4 aces, there'll be 48 cards left. And from those, I just need to choose one of them. Okay, and then divide that by 52, choose 5. The nice thing with when you do that on decimals, that it'll come out to a decimal answer. But if you hit that fraction button, it'll actually give you a fraction of something over something. Okay, hopefully that helps out. So this is aces, any other card, total ways to do things.